See Standard 12th Maths Chapter 1 Applications of Matrices and Determinants. Exercise number 1.5, question number 4. Question is, a boy is walking along the path y equal to ax square plus bx plus c through the points minus 6, 8, minus 2, minus 12 and 3, 8. He wants to meet his friend at P7, 60. Will he meet his friend? Use Gaussian elimination method. See, here they given the boy walking along the path. The path is a curve actually, and also it is a parabolic curve. So let me take the curve first. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So 3 points are given on the curve. First point is minus 6, 8. Second point is minus 2, minus 12. Third is 3, 8. So using these points, let me find the equation first. When x is minus 6, we are getting y as 8. So 8 is equal to, replace x as minus 6. So 36a b minus 6b plus c. Second equation, y value is minus 12 and x is minus 2 the whole square, that is 4a minus 2b plus c constant. Then y is here 8. Then replace x as 3, 9a plus 3b plus c. So these are three equations in terms of a and b. So we are going to solve this equation getting the value of a, b and c. After that we will see the question asked for us here. So let me write the augmented matrix for this equation. That is here x coefficient, a coefficient, b coefficient, c coefficient. A coefficient, first equation is 36a minus 6, here 1. Then here 4, x coefficient is 4. B coefficient is minus 2, c is 1 and 9, 3, 1. See, what about the constant here? 8 minus 12, 8. So this is the augmented matrix. A, B is equal to. So this is your A matrix and this is your B matrix. Let me bring this matrix in the row echelon form. So first you have to bring this here 1. First row, first entry as element as 1. But here it is 36. And also the element below this row in the same column is 4, 9. So no possibility of getting 1 here. So we can just keep the same constant there. But instead of that, let me bring this in the smallest number. Here in this column, the smallest number is 4. So let me bring this 4 from R2 to R1. So let me interchange. So this is equal to interchange the row R1 to R2. So 4 minus 2, 1 minus 12. So this is 36 minus 6 minus 6, 1, 8. Third row is here 9, 3, 1, 8. So we interchange here. So you keep this 4 as it is, but the column in the same column, the other, let me make the other two entries as 0. So I am going to make this 36 as 0 and also 9 as 0. You have to compare it with R1. So this is equivalent to, Write the first row as it is. Second row is R2 is. So when this becomes 0, we have to compare it with the R1. This 9 must change it, 4 must change it as 36. So I have to multiply by 9 and then subtract from R2. So R2 minus 4R1. 9R1. 9 4s are 36. 9R1. So here 36 minus 36, 0. Minus 9 minus 2 is plus 18. Plus 18 minus 6, that is equal to 12. Then this is minus 9. 1. Minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. And multiply this minus into minus plus. 9 12s are here. 9 12s are 108. You will get 9 2s are 18. Carry over 108. This is plus 108. We have to add this 8. So 116 you will get. Then same thing you see here 9. Compare it with first row element 4. So here both must be the same number. In this case I interchange the constant here. I multiply 4 by 9 and 9 by 4. In that case you will get the same number. So R3 is multiply R1 by 9 R1. You subtract it from 4R3. So that is equal to, just a bit of this. Okay. 4R3 is 36 minus 36, that you will get as 0. And then here 4R3, 4 3s are 12. Then minus 9 minus 2, that is plus 18, that is 30. You will get here 30. And multiply this 4R3. 4R2, 1 4s are 4. Minus 9. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Then here 4R3. 4 8s are 32. 9 12s are 108. 108. So 140 you will get here. If you add, you will get 140. So that's all. Okay. So now we have got the first entry, and then the same column, the other two entries are 0. So what about the next step here? See, so the elements are bigger values. We can just reduce the values. Look at the common divisor. First row you write as it is. This is equivalent to, first row is 4 minus 2, 1 minus 12. But see, the second row have the common factor as here 12 minus 8 and 116. So 4 divides all this value. 4 is the common factor. So what I do, R2 is R2 by 4. I divide each element by 4. 3 minus 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Remainder 3, 9 4s are 36, 39. And look at the third row, 5 is the common factor. So R3 elements I divide by 5. So R3 by 5. Just we reduce the value of the elements. 0, 6 5s are 30, minus 1 and 5. 2 5s are 10, 8 5s are 40. Now next step you have to bring, see first row element you got 4. In the second row first element is 0. The third row also first element 0. Next step I have to bring this, in the third row 2 zeros, that is second element also must become the 0. So in that case I have to compare this one with the R2 element. This is 6. See, the previous value is 3. I have to make it as 6. So I multiply by 2. So first row you write as it is 4 minus 2, 1 minus 12. The second row, we make the correction R3. R3 minus 2R2. So as usual, this is 0. Third row, second row also you can write as it is. The third row, R3, 6 minus 6 is 0. This is minus 1 plus 4, that is plus 3. Then this is 28. 28 minus 29 into 2 is 58. That is 30 will get here. Different sign we subtract, so we will get 30. That also minus 30. So we got it in the row echelon form. See 4, 0, 0, 0. Triangular form. So with that you can solve the elementary transformation here. Look at the last row. See, this is A, B constant, C. So 3 is the coefficient of C. 3C is equal to minus 30. So C is equal to minus 30 by 3. That is minus 10. See the second row, 3B. A coefficient is 0. 3B minus 2C is equal to 29. But C is here 10. So 2 into minus 10 equal to 29. So 3B plus 20. So when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 20. 3B is equal to 9. B is equal to 3. And look at the first row, 4A minus 2B plus C equal to minus 12. 4A minus 2B plus C is equal to minus 12. Substitute the value. 4A minus 2 into B is 3. C is here minus 10 equal to minus 12. So 4A minus 6 minus 10 minus 16 is equal to minus 12. 4A is equal to minus 12 plus 16. 4A is equal to 4. A equal to 4 by 4. So value of A is 1 here. So A is 1, B value is 3 and C value is equal to minus 10. So let me get the curve equation. Y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So A is here 1x squared plus 3b minus 3x. 3x. B is 3x minus 10 y. Now come to the question here. The question they ask you here. He wants to meet his friend at P 760. Will he meet? So just you have to check whether this point is on the curve. So the point P is on the curve. So let me take the point P is 760. How to check whether the point P is on this curve? So you have to see whether this point satisfies this equation. That is, I replace y as 60, x as 7 squared plus 3 into 7 minus 10, 49 plus 21 minus 10. So 60, 70. 70 minus 10. 60 is equal to 60. Yes. So the point lies on the curve. Point P lies on the curve. On the curve. So hence the boy will meet his friend. At the point P 7, 60. So thank you.